there, and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of our favorite drinks, these Italian cream sodas. They're super easy to make and the whole family can enjoy them. You can mix and match the flavors. It's perfect for the kids and the adults. So the things you're going to need are flavored syrups such as strawberry, raspberry, orange. Think of syrups you would use at a coffee shop. That's what you're going to use for this. Half and half Sprite or club soda and whipped cream. So these are going to be the ingredients that you'll need. And the first thing you're going to want to do is fill a glass up with ice and then add about 2 tablespoons of that flavored syrup to the bottom of your glass. So you can use a little more or less. If you need to add more flavor when you're done because maybe you didn't put in enough, you can always add it in at the end as well if you need to. So you're going to use the rest of that space in the glass and equally fill it up with half cream, half Sprite. And like I said, you can use Sprite or club soda. So I'm filling it up with the half and half right now, which is just half cream, half milk mixed together called half and half. So now I'm putting in the Sprite, or you can use club soda or seltzer water, something of that nature. Do not use 7-Up. 7-Up will not work. It does not come out right. So Sprite is usually my go-to for this. You can also use Sprite Zero if you want it to be a diet and a sugar-free syrup. So that's usually how I do it. So once you're done with that, you just stir it up. So you mix it all together. This is where if you wanted to add some more syrup, you didn't add enough, you could do that at the end. So once you're done, you're going to top it with whipped cream and serve it up. My kids love orange. I love the raspberry, and my husband loves strawberry. So we usually get a mix. If you want to do sugar-free syrups, I really love skinny syrups. You can find them over on Amazon. You can also find them in Marshall's quite a bit for half the price of Amazon. So you can find those there too. So that's my daughter. She helped out today. She was my hands, so I figured I would give her a little minute in this video. And now you can see how to make these easy Italian cream sodas with your favorite flavors. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out the full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Thank you so much for tuning in today.